confused about what bodybuilding plan I should follow means, command. Sid, I will explain everything about bodybuilding. The first topic will be what is the workout plan? What workout plan should you follow? Workout plan means which muscle you are training in and how frequently you are training muscle groups. For example, my split is bro split. It goes like Monday legs, Tuesday chest, Wednesday back, Thursday it can be rest, or I do shoulders, Friday arms, Saturday deadlifts, and only bench press. Mine is like that, but it is simply a bro split. See, I customize my split according to me. You can also do the same with your workout. Like if you are a busy person or a student who does a part-time job means, I have a good split for you. It goes like day 1 chest and triceps, 2 days break. Day 2 back and biceps, 2 days break. Day 3 shoulders and legs. Simple but very effective one for you guys. An important tip I will give you is to train till failure, because of that will maximize your gains. I will also tell you what you should do in the workout. For chest and triceps, after warm-up for a few minutes, do bench press for 3 sets of 12 reps. After that, incline dumbbell press 3 sets of 12 reps. After that, pec deck flies 3 sets of 12 reps. Next comes the triceps. Triceps extension, 3 sets of 8 reps. That it is for the chest and triceps. Important tip is to put the focus on form and contraction. It will multiply your gains. For back and biceps, after warm-up for a few minutes, do lats pull down 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. After underhand lats, pull down 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. After that, rows of any type you like, 4 sets of 12 reps. Next comes the biceps. Standing biceps curls, 3 sets to 12 to 15 reps. That it is for the back and biceps. For shoulder and legs, after warm-up for a few minutes, I do lateral raise 4 sets of 15 reps. Rear delt flies 4 sets of 15 reps. Next for legs, do barbell squats 3 sets of 8 reps. After that, leg curls 3 sets of 8 reps. That it is for shoulders and legs. It is a simple but very best workout for beginners and those who have less time. The main important thing is how best you can do the workout. You need to have consistency and patience. I guarantee you the results. And now I am telling you one more important thing you can achieve superhuman gains is to do progressive overload. You heard this from so many of your gym bros. I will explain it briefly. In simple terms, PAL is to increase the stress you are putting on your muscles to make muscles more fatigued over time. Slowly but consistently improving your stress putting on your muscles. If you don't put enough stress on your muscles will stop growing and become less stronger. That you don't want that to happen. Yeah, and don't overtrain your muscles also. It will bring more fatigue to your body, and that is not need. If you guys want to learn everything about overload and overtraining, I will make a separate video explaining everything in detail. And I didn't talk about diet because it is very long and very deep, so I need to make another video explaining the diet. So if you are there means you have learned new things in life. So please like, share, and subscribe to it. It will help me and you in the future so much. So for today, it's over. Love you guys all. So work hard, my brother. I am waiting for you on top. Bye.